Hello, and thank you for joining me. Philip Norton here from Norton Trading, and tonight I want to take a look at TRXC. I actually had this in my latest watchlist recap video, something we've been watching since last Friday for the break of 684. Unfortunately, we had such a bearish move today that trade was never taken, and we're kind of got to reset our bearings on this one. So of course the question was asked to me of where I see this going from here. Is this bear signal meaning a lot further of a drop? Where is support for this trade going forward? Well, we actually do have quite a number of lines of support. We can see we're still actually holding above the 9 SMA today, so we were able to, though we broke that a little bit, to close above that today, which is a good sign. A little bit of buying there towards the end of the day. Additionally, we will have support between $6.05 and $6 range, so we'll have a little bit of support there. And then, of course, we'll have support again down near 560. So the question is, how far do we go and how far do we fall? Well, if we do have a huge kind of sell-off and breakdown tomorrow, something that pushes below the low of today, down below 620, we could see that actually fall down below the $6 price support and hit this short-term trend line here, this bullish trend line. And that would be, of course, right down here around 570, still above that 560 support. Now, that would be a big move. You're talking about almost 10%, and then that's something that's, I think, a little far-fetched or out of the realm of thing, unless, of course, there is bad news. I know we do have the rates coming out, the Fed rates hikes coming out tomorrow, but I don't think that pushes this down 10%. So where are we at and where do we go from here? So, of course, the bullish sentiment and hope is that we still hold the 9 SMA, maybe have a little bit of consolidation off that, and push back up to retest 684, and then of course the highs now, which is just under 7. So of course a break of 7 would be the new look for a breakout. We also of course are more likely to consolidate further until we get somewhere connection to this trend line, right? So if we did have a little bit of fall over the next couple of days, you could see this come down here and by end of week looking to test not only that $6 pivot, but actually test this trend line as well. So we could see this, kind of consolidate over the next couple of days if there isn't a lot of buying from today's sell-off, and then of course bounce off that trend line before heading a move higher. So a couple of things there to watch over the next few days to really see where this goes. Definitely if it does consolidate, I'll be looking to make a purchase and buy as it gets into this trend line for that move back up to $7, and who knows, maybe even the breakout and higher from there. All right, well, thanks for joining me. Have yourself a good evening.